Hello, this is Paul Squire
Jake Sells.
and Nick Little, and this is our demo for CS457, which is our Database Management Systems class. As you can see right here in front of you is an overview of our database.
And here is our enhanced entity relationship diagram. We have 9 tables with rep being the middle one, which is our representative table being the most connected.
Rep has many different tables linked to it because the representative can have many different aspects.
The most useful application of the database is to find the local representative using zip code and the zip code rep tables.
We also give many different aspects of the representatives, from local offices to the most recent election results.
These different tables may go from one-to-one or one-to-many in either direction.
Okay, and now we will go through some example queries that we have made up to test our database. Our database was made only for the state of Nevada, just for time constraint purposes, although it can be expanded in the future to include other states.
And this one is going to retrieve the Congress or congressman or congresswoman who is in that district for the zip code. So we'll run this one. And as you can see, it retrieves Mark Amadei, who is in the district that's a zip code 89411. And we can change this to another zip code, for example, and it will retrieve Stephen Horsford, who is the representative for that zip code.
Alright, the next query we're going to show you retrieves phone numbers and names of all senators. So since this is for only Nevada, we only have 2 senators. Of course, every other state only has 2. And those are our senators, so it's working.
And the next one returns all Republican representatives. And this is, I guess, only useful if you vote your party line. And so these are our 3 representatives who are Republican in the state.
Alright, this next SQL query only returns senators. This is a small query, but it is useful because all Nevadans have the same senators.
And there we have the 2 Nevadan senators. And the next one retrieves the total amount of the endorsements for each representative. So once we run it, this goes in order of all the representatives, so it's Harry Reid and then Dean Heller, and we see that Harry Reid has the most.
This last query returns the social policies of the Democratic Party. Just if you wanted to look up representatives based off of their social views or based off of party lines, you could look at this and just see what that party supports.
And this is just an example. Of course, we're just trying to fill it up with what we can. And this one is now a view for all offices, for all the representatives. So we should see the phone number and location of all of the representatives.
Alright, and this next view is a more detailed representative listing. It should just give a more detailed listing for each representative. As you can see, it has their title, their name, and their party affiliation. This could be expanded upon to add other attributes as well in the future.
And this last one is going to return all of the endorsements that a representative has. So here we have Harry Reid has MGM Resorts International and everyone's representative endorsements.
Alright, that's it for our demo, and thank you for your time.